Hello traders, this is Barry again. I just closed out that 60-point trade maybe half an hour ago or so. It's 5 o'clock my time, Pacific time, in the afternoon on Wednesday. And Wednesday, November 28th. And because of that big run-up from the Fed's announcement or speech today, of course the market went really high, and now it's in the quiet afternoon evening session, and just looking at the shape of it on my 15-minute chart after the run-up, and then the 1 hour and the 6 hour here. Tomorrow at 11 is the Federal Open Market Committee. They released the minutes of their last meeting. That typically throws a lot of volatility into the market. I am kind of assuming right now that what's going to happen is this market is going to correct down slowly and lazily through most of the evening, and then it will be this Thursday at 11 o'clock trigger that very well could send it back up north again and get it running again, or could drop it. So not sure, but the way the longer term chart is looking, my correction I've been working on, my theory of the case, was the top of the market was here back in 1st of October, did an ABC correction, and now because this market's just about to take that B wave out, we've got a wave 1, 2, and heading on up, probably to 3, 4, 5. The only alternative that I can see that is possible is we can get this ABC is a 1, or is actually a bigger A. This could be a B of the correction, or actually the B of the correction could be 1, 2, 3. It could actually go up to a B of correction here and then go down again. Let me get on the daily because I'm sure I'm confusing you. I apologize for that. Get rid of my notes here. Very possible that I think this is the bottom of the correction for the market for the foreseeable future. The only way it probably wouldn't be is if this is an A. The B is actually a 3 wave, which we've seen before, an Elliott wave. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, or ABC and a B wave, and then on down to a C wave before it actually turns around. But because of the size of the correction here back in February, end of January, February, and the correction now, it's really looking like it's just heading back up now. So anyway, that's the daily. Put that back on the 6 hour. So what I'm going to do is just sell one contract here, and I'm just going to set my stop loss just a little bit above that last little B wave. Let's see, it's going to be about maybe 43. Let's see. Let me take this down to like a 5 minute so you can see details. So we got A, B, and heading down. So more than likely, what I'm thinking is going to happen overnight is just a complex counter trend. In other words, this market's just going to keep going. I'll move that over. It's just going to wander down, at least until the open, until the volume picks back up at 6:30 in the morning, 8:30 Central, and then it might pick up, head down, or actually because of the FOMC at 1 o'clock Central Time tomorrow, 11 o'clock my time, it will probably be very slow and go pretty much nowhere but sideways and down until those minutes are released. So I'll do an update here in the morning. If I don't get stopped out and this thing wanders down, we'll take a few points and then probably get out before 11 and kind of watch the market, see what it does. So I will talk to you soon, and good night for now. Good evening, traders. It is 10:35 my time on Wednesday night, and I had taken that short trade figuring that it was going to wander all evening long. But now I'm looking at the price action here in my CCI and realizing that this might be done. ABC might actually be heading back up. So I'm actually going to close this. I think I've got like 3 points. Yeah, 3¼ points on that. So we're going to close that trade. And I'm very tempted to go long again because there's so much strength in this market. And I think that's actually what I'm going to do. So I'll set a tight stop loss and let it run overnight and see what happens. So I will start another video here in a second and start trade number 4 here, since 3 was just a little shorty.